Let's be honest, your competitors are already using AI tools to dominate social media, and you're getting left in the dust. It's a harsh truth, but in the next few minutes, I'm giving you their playbook. I'm breaking down 5 essential AI tools that will automate your content creation and save you hours every single day. In this video, I'm going to show you real powerful software you can use today to create better content, faster than ever before. I'll explain how each one works and how you can use them in your marketing business. The days of staring at a blank page or wrestling with clunky design software are over. The marketers who are winning right now have embraced AI as their co-pilot and creative partner. By the end of this video, you'll have the exact toolkit to do the same. So, if you're ready to stop falling behind and start getting ahead, pay close attention. Let's get into it. Tool 1. The Visual Foundation, Canva. First up is a tool you probably think you know, but it has quietly transformed into an AI powerhouse that is non-negotiable for modern marketing. That tool is Canva. You might be thinking, Canva, that's for simple graphics. And yeah, a few years ago, you'd have been right. But in 2026, thinking of Canva as just a design tool is like calling a smartphone just a phone. You're missing the entire point. The biggest headache for 99% of marketers is the relentless need for quality visuals. Every post, every ad, every thumbnail needs a graphic. If you're not a designer, this is a soul-crushing bottleneck. You either waste hours making something that looks good enough or spend a fortune on designers, and the back and forth just kills your momentum. This is the exact problem Canva's AI suite was built to solve. The absolute game changer is a feature called Magic Write. Picture this. You're in Canva. You've got a great template for an Instagram carousel, but you have no clue what to write. Instead of switching tabs and getting lost, you can now generate your copy right inside your design. You just tell the AI, write 5 engaging carousel slides about the benefits of our new eco-friendly water bottle. Seconds later, it populates your design with compelling copy. It's a seamless workflow that melts design and copywriting into one process. And it goes deeper. Canva's AI also helps create the visuals themselves. Its AI image generator lets you create custom photos or illustrations that perfectly match your brand. You're no longer stuck using the same stock photos as everyone else. You can describe a scene or a concept and Canva generates unique visuals just for you. This allows you to build a truly memorable brand without ever touching Photoshop. For anyone needing to create a high volume of consistent graphics, Canva has become the indispensable foundation of their entire workflow. It solves the design problem, period. Tool 2, the Content Engine, Jasper AI. Okay, your visuals are handled. Now for the next mountain to climb, writing the actual words. The captions, the emails, the ad copy, the video scripts, the amount of text needed for a modern marketing strategy is insane. This is where so many of us burn out, just staring at that blinking cursor. The result? Inconsistent posts and a brand voice that's all over the place. This is where our next tool, Jasper AI, steps in. It's like having a world-class copywriter on your team who works 24/7 and never needs a coffee break. Jasper is way more than a text generator. It's a writing platform built for marketers, with over 50 templates for pretty much any task you can dream of. Need a hook for a TikTok? There's a template. Need a product description for your e-commerce store? There's a template for that too. Here's how it works. Sticking with our water bottle example, you've got your awesome ad graphic from Canva, but you need the Facebook ad text. You hop into Jasper, pick the Facebook ad template, and give it the basics, product name, key features like keeps water cold for 24 hours, and a tone of voice, let's say adventurous and eco-conscious. You click generate, and Jasper doesn't just give you one lazy suggestion. It delivers a dozen different variations to test, each with a different angle. It does in 30 seconds what would take most of us hours of painful brainstorming. But the most powerful feature, the one that makes it an essential part of your infrastructure, is its brand voice memory. You can feed Jasper your best performing content, and it will analyze your style, tone, and vocabulary. From then on, you can tell it to write in your specific brand voice. This solves the biggest fear with AI content, sounding like a robot. With Jasper, you can scale your content output by 10 times without losing your brand's unique personality. It's the engine that will power your entire content strategy. Tool 3, the voice of your brand, 11 Labs. We have visuals from Canva and words from Jasper. Now we need to tackle the undisputed king of content in 2026, video. And video means audio. Your voice is a powerful tool for building trust, but let's be real, creating high-quality audio is a huge pain. Maybe you hate the sound of your own voice, can't find a quiet place to record, or you want to reach a global audience. For years, the only alternative was that cringy robotic text-to-speech that made everyone click away instantly. This is where our third tool, 11 Labs, changes everything. 11 Labs provides ultra-realistic AI voice generation that is so good, it's often impossible to tell it apart from a human voice actor. This isn't the choppy AI of the past. This is a tool that delivers emotion, inflection, and personality. The possibilities for marketers are mind-blowing. Its flagship feature is voice cloning. You can upload just a few minutes of your own speech, and 11 Labs creates a perfect digital copy of your voice. Now you can generate audio for all your social videos, podcasts, or ads without ever touching a microphone. Just type the script, probably written by Jasper, and your AI voice narrates it flawlessly. It's an incredible productivity hack, but it's also a lifesaver for creators who are camera shy. Even if you don't clone your own voice, you can pick from a huge library of AI voices or design a completely unique one that becomes your brand's audio signature. And the multilingual support is a total game changer. You can take a video you made in English, and with a few clicks, 11 Labs can dub it into Spanish, German, Japanese, and dozens of other languages. It even syncs the audio to your lip movements, creating a seamless experience for international audiences. For any marketer creating narrated video content, 11 Labs isn't a luxury anymore. It's the industry standard. Alright, we're 3 tools in, and your marketing stack is already looking unstoppable. You've got systems for visuals, copy, and audio. If you're getting value from this and want to stay on the cutting edge of AI marketing, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. I drop content just like this every single week to help you stay ahead of the curve. Now, let's get back to it. Tool 4, the repurposing machine, Lumen 5. One of the most frustrating pieces of advice marketers always hear is to repurpose your content. We all know we should do it. You have this amazing library of blog posts and white papers just sitting there, collecting digital dust. But the idea of manually turning each one into a social video is exhausting. A single blog post could take all day to convert into a 60-second video. Who has that kind of time? This is the exact problem our fourth tool, Lumen 5, was built to destroy. Lumen 5 is an AI-powered video platform that specializes in turning text into engaging social videos, almost automatically. It's the bridge between your long-form content and the short-form video world. The workflow feels like magic. You just paste a blog post's URL into Lumen 5. Its AI instantly reads and analyzes the article, identifies the key messages, and lays them out in a video storyboard. Then, it searches a massive library of stock footage and intelligently picks visuals that match the text. If your sentence is about growing your business, it pulls up clips of thriving cityscapes. In minutes, you have a fully drafted video, complete with on-screen text and relevant B-roll. From there, you can easily make tweaks, but 90% of the heavy lifting is already done. But here's where it becomes a true automation machine. You can connect Lumen 5 to your blog's RSS feed. Now, every time you publish a new article, Lumen 5 automatically starts creating a summary video for it in the background and emails you when it's ready. Think about that. You hit publish, and 20 minutes later, a social video is in your inbox, ready to go. That's content repurposing on complete autopilot. Tool 5, the Viral Video Factory. Creo while Lumen 5 masters repurposing. Our final tool is all about creating original, short-form video from scratch. We're talking TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. In 2026, if you're not publishing on these platforms, you're invisible. The challenge is speed. Trends die in a matter of days. You need to be quick, snappy, and pump out content that features voiceovers and dynamic captions. Doing this manually is a recipe for burnout. This is where tools like Creo step in as your short-form video assembly line. Creo and platforms like it are designed for one thing, helping you create high-quality vertical videos at lightning speed. They understand the formula and automate the most tedious parts of the process. Here's the typical workflow. You have a video idea. 3 common mistakes new entrepreneurs make. Normally, you'd have to write the script, record a voiceover, find B-roll, and painstakingly add captions. With Creo, you just type your script. It can then generate a clear AI voiceover for you, instantly solving the problem of needing a mic or hating your own voice. Next, Creo automatically generates those dynamic word-by-word captions that are proven to hold viewer attention, a huge factor in watch time. While that's happening, its AI also suggests relevant B-roll footage to match your script. In minutes, you can go from a simple text script to a fully produced reel or TikTok that looks like it was made by a pro editor. For any marketer who needs to move fast and test ideas quickly, a tool like this is an absolute game changer. So there you have it, 5 game-changing AI tools to automate your content and transform your marketing in 2026. Let's recap. We start with Canva, your AI design studio for stunning visuals. Then, Jasper AI becomes your content engine for writing endless high-quality copy. We amplify that with 11 labs for professional human-like voiceovers. Next, we put our content on autopilot with Lumen 5, the machine that turns blog posts into social videos. And finally, we conquer short form with a viral video factory like Creo. The barrier to creating world-class content has never been lower. AI isn't here to replace marketers, it's here to supercharge the ones smart enough to use it. These tools are your new creative team, working for you 24/7. You now have the playbook. But this is just my list, and the AI world moves incredibly fast. So, I want to hear from you. What AI tools are you using that are absolute game changers? Drop them in the comments below. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.